This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 80 of Building Optimus Prime. In this issue, we're starting building the base and having a look at the free gift. But first of all, let's look through the magazine. We've got Kinetic Solutions Incorporated. This is the little nanobot type things in one of the films. Explosive Couple, Optimus and Elita 1. Didn't know Optimus had a girlfriend. There we go. If you want to pause and read through all of that, you feel free. That's what I'm doing this for. Protector bots, the original rescue bots. Animated Autobots Part 2. Yeah, I don't like them. Don't like the style of them at all. Just don't like them. Too chibi. Don't like them. Blur, Arky, RC even. Optimus Prime. Yeah, no, don't like it at all. The base, because he's got to have something to stand up with. The rear half of the base joint, cross members and stuff. Not much to build on this one. We're just starting on that, not even putting those bits across on there. But obviously, that's the rear half. It's interesting that it's plain. I don't know if there's a logo probably on the front piece. Might just about be able to make out a logo on the front there. But unusual on these. Normally they've got a big display on lots of bits of it. But yeah, obviously the same as previous. They've got a bar that comes up through the back and holds him in place. Assists with his standing. So let's clear that out of the way and have a look. But before we do, in this pack was another free gift, which is very, very nice. The people at Fanhome do treat us very nicely with the free gifts. It is a large t-shirt, which is unusual. Most of these have been smaller than that. They're often a medium. But I can get away with a large. It's not a problem. So we have our Optimus Prime shirt. Oh, crinkly. It's got some packing in there. Some tissue paper in there somewhere. There we go. Get rid of that. Yeah, nice white, unusual. Right, normally they're darker colours, but we've got big print of Optimus there with Optimus Prime. I like it. Yeah, that's quite nice. Yeah, it's very recognisable as being Optimus, and yeah, decent quality shirt. I shall wear that very shortly, and you'll probably see it on the occasional live stream. You never know. So let me clear this all out of the way and get on with the build. So here we have it. This is the base. It's much the same as bases for the other artworks and things that stand up. Got that. Got a hole for the post to come up to support his waist. That's the part that we're going to be attaching. These are the parts that we're not going to be attaching quite yet. They are unusual in these. They're like structural cross members. That are going to go across there, and that will give us, as well as a partial, well, this will hold the two bits together, but this will give us more stability across there. So I'll put those aside, not doing anything with those yet. We have got some screws which we're going to be using for this. It says to put it on this side. Doesn't matter which way around it goes. That is going to go on there. Yeah. Way round like that. Those holes don't quite line up. That's interesting. It is saying that. But it does matter which way around because the holes are in different places, idiot. So yeah, it goes on there like so. So some of those are just push holes, but 3 of them do need some screws. So that snips together like that, which is quite secure. But not as secure as it needs to be. They want it to be. So we shall use 3 of those screws. We'll keep one aside. And they will hold that together. Get them all in and then tighten them up in a minute. 2, 3. So at some point we're obviously going to get the other half, which would no doubt come with the other half of that. And then we'll be able to fit the supporting bar and waist gripper, probably just in time for us to finish the leg and get the waist attached so we can actually stand up somewhere. So that's that. That will then obviously go over the top of that, like so. And that will be how it gets held up. Obviously about there as well. Yeah, that's quite nice. It's quite sturdy. It's got some weight to it with these metal bits, so that'll hold it upright quite nicely. That's it. That's it for this pack. So I shall see you for more Optimus Prime very soon. But between now and then, there are other part works that are going to be happening. I think Eleanor was up in the mix here somewhere. So stick around for more of that, and I shall see you for this in about another few weeks. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.